Hello, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen long wheelbase Crafter. It's a Trendline model with a high roof. It's also fitted with a 140 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This Crafter is a used 21 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper you will notice front parking sensors. In the top part of the grille you will notice a nice chrome strip. This vehicle is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch steel wheels with VW centre wheel covers. To both sides of the van, you will notice side light markers. As we move up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirrors are black and also the door handles. The mirrors on this Crafter are also heated. This is ideal for cold winter months. As we look to this side of the van, you will notice a side sliding door. To the back of the Crafter, you will notice rear wing doors without windows. As we move across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. As we look to the back of the Crafter, you will notice standard rear tail lights. It's also fitted with a Crafter badge and a VW emblem on the rear doors. Looking back into the load area again, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. As we look across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Both doors have these 270-degree door hinges. Both doors have magnetic stoppers to hold the doors back, and this is the advantage of the rear hinges. This Crafter is painted in a metallic paint, which is called Indium Grey. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a standard steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As we move across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we look to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead again. You'll also notice 3 comfortable seats in Austin cloth. On the driver's seat you will notice a armrest. This is ideal for extra comfort on long journeys. Before I move away from the cab, you will notice some overhead storage for the driver and for the passenger. This has now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you will notice mirror, electric window switches. Down here you will see the headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 19,786 miles. To the centre of the dash you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. The next feature I'd like to show you is called App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and one of my downloaded music apps. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this system is fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when you're parking. Moving away from the media system, you will notice the heater controls. This van is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. Here we have the 6-speed fan motor switch. Here we have the direction of the heat switch if needed. And lastly, here we have the 6-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen long wheelbase Crafter. It's a Trendline model with a high roof. It's also fitted with a 140 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 21 plate Crafter, please call 0121 514 0632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When you are in contact with the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.